post research nurse post kalong iway salary kalong katanajar sibnai job location kate Shillong kamut ban apply kalong online ka education qualification katkum ka negrim official notification ki candidate kite ki bladap ya ka BSc ha ka nursing na ka no ka recognized board ka university age limit katkum ka negrim bat ka medical and requirement notification ki candidate kite bendon karta ka purpose name ha kalai kulti udemlai arjar apply ka application fee nil omdan selection process kate interview setiap kumnam apply namta kan negrim research nurse job arjar apply lengkong lek visit chat official website yang kan negrim masa chat namta kan negrim requirement dan karya ya kano kabagimod ban apply open research nurse job notification masa chat ya ka eligibility check ya kalau start carefully suap sistem ya ka application form dadal kilong kiba eligible pendap ya ka application form klaim kono wajib bakla siu ya ka application fees lordan bersumit ya ka application form suap kalau start alphandretri March arjar apply kumno ban apply namta kan negrim requirement research nurse job ikandat kibun kemuan barkaran pule kila ban apply online ha kan negrim official website na do concentrate Hadu arfitri umat arjar apply kajaka interview kalau department jong ka pathology first floor negrim Shillong kitarik berengkam kitarik bersenang apply kalau kesantri apply arjar apply kalau start ban apply online kalau arfitri umat arjar apply kitarik jong interview kalau laboratory umat arjar apply